Okay, this is a video on the Shuttle Art 360 pack. It's 180 gel pens and 180 refills. They have glitter, neon, metallic, pastel, swirl, and standard. I bought this sometime about a year ago, I guess. I'd have to look at my video when I posted that, but I didn't think I would have to refill any of these for quite some time, but my pink gel pen just seems to have stopped working, and I was kind of surprised because I've used up half of the ink in here, so I don't remember using it that much, but I'm sure I did because they're all, all these pens are, the reservoirs are pretty well filled. And the refills all look like this. They come in all these bags, and I don't know, there's like 4 or 5. I guess they're numbered that way. So they're kind of grouped, with some degree of, organization right here. It doesn't say the number that these coincide with, but I can see right here by looking at like this pack here that a lot of them, I think all or a lot of them are the metallics right here. So anyways, I haven't been, taking care to keep everything in order. Sometimes I'll grab out 7 pens and I'll use them on a given piece that I'm working on, but I thought it would be just, crazy trying to match up the pen with the refill, but it was pretty easy to see, when I was pulling these out. Now this pink right here is fairly easy to match. With 180 colors, I thought, oh my gosh. But it's not too bad. I'm pretty sure, that one matches up with that refill here in the number 4. This one looks like the pastels, and it doesn't look like a neon pastel or something like that. All, pretty basic and standard as far as your pen construction here, and replacing the reservoir. Let me make sure. And this is the first time I've done this, so let me just make absolutely sure that that's the right one. Here's the neons right here. Okay, so that has to be that pastel right there. Pastel pink, I take it. There's, as you can see, there's a neon pink. Actually, that neon, there's one of them that's not quite as filled, but most of them are pretty good, and I'm not complaining here about this thing running out. These, okay, now this thing has this little cap right here, and you just kind of pull that off, so that would keep it nice and airtight. These pens at 180 colors and 180 refills cost, this entire set cost, I think it was around the mid $20 range. Okay, that's a lot of pens for that price. And so far so good. This is the first one that I've come across, to stop working. Okay, so I have replaced this roller in here. Let me see if I can get it going. Okay, I thought it would take a little bit to get going, but that's ready to go right out of the, pack. And it's flowing pretty good. These pens are, the inks are a little bit more translucent. Okay, I'm writing this on a piece of green matte paper, and you can see it's not, terribly opaque. And what I'm doing is I'm just kind of trying to get this flowing right here. So you just kind of do little scribbles like this until it comes out in kind of more of a continuous line. So pretty good, and easy to replace, of course, your standard ballpoint pen roller. I might even be able to get this one going again. I can see right in there, there's a little bit of a break in the ink, so maybe I'll try to shake this up a little bit because there is quite a bit of ink remaining in here. So anyways, this is the first one that I've come across to stop rolling And that's not too bad as far as these types of pens are concerned. So, like I said, inks are a little bit more translucent and not quite as thick, and that's the thing that, you know, probably keeps them from clogging like the gel pens of old. So, anyway, just a quick video on that, and thanks for watching.